Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install WAMP server on Microsoft Windows 10. So if you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1, you should be able to install it with Chocolatey. So I'm going to install this WAMP server with Chocolatey package manager on Microsoft operating systems. So first thing first, you need to have Chocolatey installed on your systems. Okay, let me go ahead and show you how you can install Chocolatey first. So this is Chocolatey website. You can simply go to chocolatey.org. You can see it here, and then click on this install now or install. Here, this is the system requirement that you need to have: Windows 7 and above, server 2003 and above, and you also need to have PowerShell v2 plus and .NET framework 4 and above. Now it's very simple installation, so we need to check our get execution policy whether it's all signed or restricted. So to check that, we need to go ahead and launch our PowerShell. So PowerShell with admin right, that's right, and then you say yes on the UAC window and your PowerShell should launch. Now you need to check whether you have right policy to install this package. Go ahead and run this command. So copy it and run it in your PowerShell. Oops. So paste it over and hit run. It says all signed. If doesn't, then you will have to run another command that I'm going to show you. So you can run this command to make sure you have right policy on Microsoft Windows 10 to run this installation. So go ahead and run this command. Set execution policy all signed, and this is going to, on my system I have nothing to change, so I'll simply say A to all, and this will be taken care of by this command. Okay, so once that's done, I just pressed Ctrl C on my system, but you have to press A, uppercase A, to make sure you have this. Now go ahead and check it once again. So get execution policy, and it must say all signed, otherwise you make sure you rerun it with all the privileges, admin right and all that. Once you have this all signed, return after running this command. This is the Chocolatey installation command. Go ahead and copy this one, copy it says, and then go ahead and relaunch your command prompt or PowerShell with admin right again. So to install Chocolatey, we must run this command with admin right, and this time this big command that I just copied, pasted in my PowerShell and hit run. Hit enter, and this is going to take some time on every system, and on my system it's already installed. Now I can go ahead and run choco help command. So choco space hyphen question mark, and this is going to give me all the list of commands that I need. Now I also, after this installation, we need to simply exit and relaunch our PowerShell or CMD with admin right to install any package. Now we can go ahead and install anything. So any package that is available in Chocolatey repository. So now I can simply say choco list WAMP server like that, or I can say choco list PHP, so it's going to list anything that has PHP, or I can say choco list Apache, so it's going to list anything that has Apache server in it. So this WAMP server comes with a lot of things you can see here. So this comes with Apache, PHP, MySQL, alongside phpMyAdmin, and you can see it says it has one package which is WAMP server 3.2.3. if I say list PHP, it's going to list anything that has PHP included or PHP itself. So, and variants of PHP like 7, 8. So you can see we have 43 packages, and we have PHP 8. We must have somewhere XAMPP and then WAMP server. So all we need to do, we need to have our command prompt as admin, and then we simply say choco install this time, and then WAMP. Make sure you write the way it is listed in the list command return. So you can see choco install WAMP server and hit enter, and I already have installed it, but you will get another option that will ask for your permission. You simply go ahead and say A to allow all the changes on the system, and this will take some time. WAMP server is a huge package, okay, and this will take a few minutes, so you'll have to be patient with it. And once it's installed, you will get this command WAMP server installed, like this one, choco installed 0 of 1 packages, so you will get 1 of 1 packages. So this is how you install WAMP server on Microsoft Windows operating system. Once you have WAMP server installed, you can go ahead and locate. So this is 64-bit. Depending on the operating system, it's going to be decided by Chocolatey. So you can see this is WAMP server. Now it's going to be running on my system. Okay, so when you launch WAMP server, it's going to start PHP, and then we have WAMP server or Apache, something like that, and then we have 4, 5, everything. So it's going to run like everything that it has. So Apache, PHP, MySQL alongside, and phpMyAdmin, and it will turn green in just a few seconds. So you can see everything, local server, 2 of 3 services running. What are the things that are running? So let's see, MySQL, MariaDB. So anything that is running, you would be able to see on the local host. So simply go ahead and type localhost on your browser tab, and here we have WAMP server. So we have, these are the options that we have: Apache 2.4, MySQL 5 and 8, MariaDB 10, PHP 5 to 7. These are the extensions that are already loaded, and this is the configuration. So Apache 2.4, PHP 7.3, and this is the port that it's running on. So it has PDO, MySQL, you can see it here, SQLite 3, and you can access these from here as well. So if you want to check PHP info, alright, so you can check it this way. You can access phpMyAdmin on the local host. So it will ask for a password and a username. So you simply type root and leave your password empty and hit enter. It initially takes time. Okay, here we have phpMyAdmin. So go ahead and type in root Select the server. You have MariaDB and MySQL both, not like XAMPP server. And one more thing I would like to show you. You can go to File Explorer and check where it's been installed. So generally it's installed on the C drive, and here we have WAMP server. So WAMP, simply WAMP, and you can create your new projects under www directory. Okay, so this is the file that displays everything. So you can go ahead and create your own PHP file here and it should work. Alright, so here we have phpMyAdmin WAMP server running on the system. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestion, leave in the comment below. Bye for now.